And student, I'm going to introduce the new topic, that is a relationship between the zeros and coefficient of a polynomial. You all knows that what is zeros of the polynomial and coefficient of the polynomial. Suppose we have a polynomial fx equal to ax square bx plus c. So this is quadratic polynomial. So quadratic polynomial always have two zeros, alpha and beta. Now, what will be the sum of zeros? Alpha and beta are zero, so sum of zero, alpha plus beta equal to minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. That is, coefficient of x is b and coefficient of x square is a. So minus b upon a here, minus b upon a. What will be the product of zero? Product of zero, alpha into beta, constant term upon coefficient of x square. Constant term is c upon x, coefficient of x square is a, c upon a. This is the formula, that the sum of zeros is minus b upon a and product of zero is c upon a. Now we will solve a question on the basis of same formula. Verify relation between zeros and coefficient. Suppose you have given one function polynomial x square 7x plus 12. So when we factorize the x square 7x plus 12, 12 1 ja 12, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3. So 7x can be write as 2 2 ja 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3 7, 4 3 7 and 4 3 ja 12. It will be 7x converted into two number whose sum is 7 but product is 12. So 4 3 7, 4 3 ja 12. X common, x plus 4, 3 common, x plus 4, x plus 4 common, x plus 3, x plus 4. Now here we have two zeros. First is alpha is equal to minus 3 and beta is equal to minus 4, right? When we add alpha and beta, alpha plus beta equal to minus 3 minus 4 equal to minus 7, and product of alpha beta, alpha into beta equal to minus 3 into minus 4 equal to 12. 4 3 ja 12, minus plus. Now this is the sum and product of zero according to whatever we've got the alpha and beta zeros, right? Now we have a formula that alpha plus beta equal to minus b upon a and alpha beta equal to c upon a. According to formula, minus b upon a, where a x square bx plus c, so a is 1, b is 7 and c is 12. So minus b upon a means that minus 7 upon 1, minus 7 upon 1, and c upon a means 12 upon 1. So c upon a is 12 upon 1. So this is the, you can see here that when we add the zeros we got minus 7, and by formula it is also minus 7, and product of zeros is 12, and according to formula it is also product is 12. So our relationship between the zeros and coefficient get verified, right? Student, now come to the next topic, that is finding a quadratic polynomial when the sum and product of its zeros are given. When sum and product is given, it means that when alpha plus beta is given and alpha beta is given, then how to find the polynomial? Find the quadratic polynomial in which sum and product is given. Sum is root 2, product is 1 upon 3. So here we have a formula to make a quadratic polynomial when sum and product of zeros are given. So fx equal to k is the constant. This you have to write every time. So fx equal to k in bracket x square minus sum of zeros x into sum of zeros into x sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros. So according to the formula, any polynomial can be write as fx is equal to k in bracket x square minus alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. This is the formula. It means k is the constant, x square minus sum of zeros x plus product of zeros. So if we have given sum of zeros root 2, product of 0 1 upon 3, so we can directly place the values. Alpha plus beta is root 2 and alpha beta 1 upon 3. So k inside bracket x square minus root 2x plus 1 upon 3. See, here you can always terminate the answer. This is one of the solution. You can write the solution directly here, but you can also solve this like when we take LCM, it will become 1 1 1. LCM will be 3, so 3 is out side. 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. This can be whole upon 3. 3 is the outside of bracket, means we can write it like k in bracket x square 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1 upon 3 when we take LCM, right? So 3 will come outside, k upon 3, and will become 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. So k upon 3 is again constant. This will be terminated, removed from the polynomial. हम इसको avoid कर देते हैं. It will become 3x square minus 3 root 2x plus 1. So polynomial will be 3x square minus 3 root 2 plus x plus 1.